The leaders of the opposition party should act in a disciplined manner and an appropriate manner. What Mr. Rahul Gandhi has done, it is very shameful and not at all acceptable. If they had any issues, they should have been settled within India. When the entire world is looking at India, you cannot shame your own nation by doing this. And we, the Mahila Morcha of Meghalaya State BJP party, really condemn and protest against what has happened, because you have brought the image of our great nation down in front of the outside world. And I request all the leaders of the opposition that we should not act in this immature manner like Mr. Rahul Gandhi and his supporters did, and conduct themselves with more discipline in future. He took, like in a platform where the world leaders were also there, he took off his shirt and his supporters also took off their shirts and protested, which was not at all called for. If they have any issues, they say don't wash your dirty linen outside. If they had any issues, it should have been settled internally within India and not in this manner. So if they had to protest, they could have had a fruitful dialogue. Yes. And sat across to settle the differences than doing what they did. That is why we are protesting. What incident they are referring to, I don't have a record of it, but even if they did, it was within India, not when at the world platform when other people were present and outside. So I really don't know when the BJP party workers took off their clothes to protest. I have not read and heard about it before. So as politicians, whether we belong to the party who is in government or as the opposition party, we should have some moral conduct. Yes. Which we should follow at all times.